Hi, my name's Julio.
My name's Aaliyah.
And here are this week's updates from Highlander Highlights.
Updates from leadership. Prom is coming up soon, and tickets go on sale today, Tuesday, March 22nd, in the leadership room and outside on the stage during lunch. Tickets are $50 per ticket, and prices will go up after March 25th. So get your ticket today and come join us at Wolf Lake for Prom 2022.
Updates from counseling. Juniors, for those of you that have opted in to take the SAT test, the test is scheduled for Wednesday, March 23rd in the library. Please report to the library at 7:30 on Wednesday, March 23rd. Please see your counselor if you have any questions. Students, if you need to recover credits for high school graduation, please see your counselor immediately. There are classes that are being offered before school and after school that you can take right now. Do not wait, time is running out of the semester to get you caught up. Seniors, if you haven't yet, it's time to create your web grant account. You will be using this account to declare the college you plan to attend next year so that financial aid knows where to send your money. You can also view information regarding your grants on there. If you need any support, please see your counselor during lunch or after school. Seniors, if you plan on attending Fresno State next year, it is time to accept your admissions and register for Dog Days orientation to secure your spot.
Athlete of the Week. This week's Athlete of the Week is Rayanne Caparita from Cheer. Coach Marok says that Rayanne is the definition of a student athlete, and that she is dedicated both in and out of her classes. Rayanne has been on the sideline and competitive cheer here at McLean for the past 4 years. Way to go, Rayanne! And if you happen to see our Athlete of the Week around campus, make sure to congratulate them and thank them for all their hard work.
Thank you for everyone who came out and celebrated Sadie's with us. We had a blast. Next up is a video all about Sadie's and the events of that special night. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching.
And tune in for next week's episode of Highlander Highlights.